Hi everyone, come here. We want to make origami birds, but before that, we want to introduce ourselves.
Hello everyone, my name is Hakim Kamajaya.
Hello everyone, my name is Callista, Aurora, Salsabila.
And I, Habibi Obiansyah. And my friend,
My name is Faiz Fawwaz. Happy watching!
the one and only material used in here is just origami paper. Let's move on to the next step.
Fold your paper diagonally. Make horizontal and vertical folds. Fold the top corners to the bottom.
Step 4. Make crest on the left and right. Step 5. Fold the top down. Step 6. Open the upper flap.
Repeat on the other side. Make the bird's legs and neck.
Fold the bird's head. And last, make the bird's wings.
I thank God in my lucky stars. Darling, don't you know what you are? Yeah, baby, you are. Hey, baby.
Beautiful, 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 beautiful angel. Love your imperfections, I'll be angel. Tomorrow comes and goes before you know.
Thank you for watching and see you goodbye!